How to get dark mode on Snapchat in iPhone. To enable dark mode on Snapchat for your iPhone, simply follow these steps. Firstly, open Snapchat on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Then, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon available in the top left corner of your screen. Then, tap on the gear icon settings in the top right corner of your screen. Then, scroll down and select App Appearance option available there. Once you tap on the app appearance, you will get to see options like dark mode or always dark or matte system option available there. All you have to do is tap on the always dark, which enables dark mode regardless of your phone's settings. If the app appearance option is unavailable, all you have to do is update your Snapchat from App Store and it will be available. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.